always so fun to peek outside the bread truck. Well, and see an amazing river, but also see another Stepvan and a Laffrey.
Hi.
I was just saying how awesome it is to look outside the bread truck and see another Stepvan.
I was thinking the same thing, looking through my window and seeing you guys.
Aw, it's like our trucks get to hang out with their friends.
Yeah.
I feel like we're parenting our trucks right now. We're like, do you guys want to have a play date?
Have a play date with another Stepvan. You mostly even see in regular vans.
Yes.
I just think too, like every person that comes through here must be like, what the hell is going on? What? A bread truck and a plumbing truck, and this is weird.
And Laffrey's skirt matches the bread truck sign, and your shirt matches his truck. They're just
Totally.
amazing.
Yep.
Find any more treasures?
What?
Find any treasures?
No, are you recording me?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, but they're not in my hands. They're up front. I got like a flat of stuff.
Flat? Like a flat of plants?
Yeah. Yeah, there's a whole flat. It's half sweet peas and half yellow flowers. I don't know what they are really. But I think they can come back to health. I think
Cool.
they're gonna be pretty good.
Cool.
Yeah.
You know, it'd be really cool
What?
if we got sweet peas from the sweet peas.
Yeah.
That's not the kind they are, though, I don't think.
These are just the plant, not the vegetable.
I don't know.
It says sweet pea early multiflora mix.
Yeah, it's just like the flower variety.
Yeah, just like a plant. Yep. But
Cool. You got some seat belts?
yeah, I got some seat belts. La, 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 la.
And you got some Pikachu?
Pikachu.
Or some, like, minion thing?
I got a minion, yeah.
Did you put that back?
No.
Where's that?
Oh, it's a surprise.
That is in my car. Better not be in my bed. And a big cloth white bin.
Yeah,
Where's that?
that's on the driver's seat. Want to see that?
Sure.
Okay, let's see. Can't imagine why anybody would throw one of these away.
That's like exactly the same one that I have.
I know. That's why I thought it might be good. You have another matching one.
Yeah, I can put it under the bed in the
Totally.
transit. As long as it doesn't stink.
It smells like fabric softener. Maybe that's just a disguise to hide the putrid stink of poop.
Yeah, it's got like kid pee on it or something because we are right next to a daycare.
Yep.
Okay.
You never know.
Thanks for showing us.
You gotta help me nurse these plants back to health.
Okay.
Yes.
Have you ever gardened in a truck?
So this is my dumpster dive score here. I'm cutting all the dead stuff off. We're gonna see.
One of the things I love
It's fun to experiment with this.
about Paul is that he never misses an opportunity. Like, we're broken down in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and he's like, guess we're going dumpster
I'm gonna
diving.
go look in all these dumpsters.
When in Rome, when in Rich people land.
I don't have a seatbelt for the bread truck, and I just found seatbelts in the dumpster. So
You wait long
I've
enough.
been thinking about buying them. You know, like go to like an AutoZone or whatever and just buy some seatbelts. But now I don't even have to do that. The seatbelts came to me.
Yeah, and then he found this entire flat of dying plants that he is cleaning up and experimenting with, learning from.
This stuff was just thrown away by a nursery around the corner, and they don't care. You know, I'm sure they have stuff like this come and go on a daily basis. You know, so Maybe these are slightly out of season or got too hot for them, or I don't know. I don't know much about plants.
You're not cutting those in the right way.
I don't know.
Do you want me to show you?
Sure.
Because see how like...
I thought you said below the
Yeah, but
first
see how
node.
you're like leaving a stick like that? You want to cut it like to that.
Like above it.
Yeah.
Oh,
So you're not
thought
leaving...
You said the opposite.
No, you want to get it like right, so you're not getting like a stick left over.
Yeah. Gotcha. There's a lot to cut, for sure.
Yeah, that's why I was like, you might want to just chomp across the whole top of it, like.
But then I'm gonna be cutting flowers
mower
off.
style.
It's okay. I got plenty of time.
Okay, let's see. We'll see what happens.
Give a little commentary.
There he is.
Oh, there he is. Should I do it? Do it now. Yeah.
God, we're freaking this guy out so bad.
Should I do it again? I should do it like
So
twice.
there's this guy out here stealing water. No. Did he look again?
I should just keep ringing it nonstop. Ding,
No.
ding, ding. He's got me so freaked out. He's like, what
Okay.
the fuck is going on?
And go. Now it's like just out of principle, he's refusing to look.
No.
You think he's gonna go through and just try to... Oh, there he is. He's gonna turn his lights on right on us and it's gonna blast.
What do you say we do a follow-up video to yesterday's starter problem with the BreadTruck? Let's get into it. As you can see, we got a new starter right here. Right now, we are in a very extremely busy part of town in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. I have just removed the starter from the BreadTruck and I brought it into Napa to have them check it and see if it's still functioning. It tested okay. It did pass the test technically, but when tested versus the new one, he put the new one on the bench tester and found that the new one performed better. There was a sticking problem with the solenoid. When he first hit it, there was a delay and it kind of waited a bit for the solenoid to jump the gear out that would normally contact the flywheel and get the motor started. He did swap out and exchange the starter for me, and I got the new starter. I'm just about to put it in, so I think this is going to be the problem. Oh, also what he did was he brought out his battery tester. I have both batteries disconnected, and he tested each one of them individually, and both batteries tested perfect, which is what I suspected. I have a voltmeter on my dashboard, and I can monitor the voltage that the truck is sitting at all the time. So at rest yesterday, the voltage was at 12.8, which is where a battery should be resting. If it's healthy, it should be sitting at about 12.8, 12.7 when there's no current coming into it or charge going on. When I was running the truck, it was running at about 14.4 when there was no draw, no lights or accessories on, and the alternator was charging well. The batteries seemed to be doing well. And then when I turned the headlights on and put it under a bit of a load, it was at like 13.6. So I have really high confidence that my batteries are good. He tested both of them and they tested perfectly. They're less than a year old. So all of those signs point to the starter being bad. I don't really know what else it would be. So I'm gonna put this new starter in, crank it up, see how we do. Hopefully I'll be getting down the road with no problems for quite a while, at least maybe a year before it goes bad again. But I got a new receipt for the new starter, and we'll just hopefully that will fix the issue, and hopefully if it's gonna go bad, it'll go bad within a year, so I don't have to buy a whole nother starter, and we can just keep on rolling this way. So we'll see. I don't know. Just want to mention real quick that, again, this video and my channel is sponsored by Millsupply. Millsupply has been sponsoring me for about over a year now, and they are awesome. They are the Stepvan people. If you need parts for your Stepvan, aside from engine parts, they can get it for you. They have windshield wipers and door locks and door seals and window seals, all sorts of like weird things that you can only find at Millsupply for a Stepvan. And check out Millsupply for all your Stepvan stuff. They are the Stepvan people. As part of my dumpster diving scores last night, I found this cute little minion, so I thought I'd have him tag along for the ride for a while. I have him screwed into the propane tank holder, and it's a nice little mount for him. It actually works out perfectly. The minion's gonna roll with us for a little while. What do you think?
Things are moving.
Hey, Polly.
Hey. I'm at a crucial point here. I can't really video right now.
Okay. You didn't do anything?
No, it's just tricky getting this thing in there. It's so heavy. Fuck.
Hey, baby, you're looking pretty dirty.
Yeah, I'm a dirty boy.
Yeah.
Hard working, dirty
I feel
boy.
like we were just here filming the same shot like a month ago.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, let me see your face first. You're a really dirty boy.
I have grease all over my face.
Oh.
Well, here's the moment of truth. I've uninstalled the starter. I've reinstalled the new starter, and everything's hooked up. Hopefully I turn the key and it cranks right up and sounds good, and we'll be ready to go. So here goes nothing. Just seeing if things are working right. Okay, here goes. It's good. Sounds nice. All right, success. That's all we need. I'm gonna get all the tools put away, run inside, grab a couple things, and clean up, and we'll be able to roll.
So you came here this morning
Yeah,
to the store.
yeah.
Well, actually, they woke us up.
They woke us up because we were in their parking lot, but it was for good reason. We needed parts from them. Like, I don't see why that's a big deal.
Anyway,
But-
they were not happy we were sleeping in their parking lot, but whatever.
Yeah.
Then you made amends with the guy.
Well, I don't know about that, but I went in there and he had to help me because he was behind the counter. So he said that we could, oh, this is so cute. You got to show, look at this little train of wagons. Oh my goodness.
Wagon chain.
That is so cute. I love the little thing.
I don't know why they're walking them along the highway
And
though.
the leash, yeah. They are all like connected by a leash. I didn't, wow. It's definitely the daycare that we slept next to last night. But yeah, we
So you went in.
I went in and he said that he had it in stock. So the starter was actually in the store. All I had to do was take this one out to exchange for the other one. They tested it. The other one tested okay, but not great. It did pass the test, but compared to the new one was much better. So they were able to switch it out for me. This repair cost $0 because I did all the work myself, as you can see.
And a free place to stay.
And yeah, we stayed here for the night.
In Jackson Hole.
I am going to go inside and get a couple things I need. I need a new oil filter, which is the number I told you. I believe it's 7620. You wrote it down. But I need a new oil filter, and I can do an oil change and all that jazz too. So I might as well do some preventative maintenance while I'm here.
Totally. I'm about that game.
So everything worked out good.
So what did
A
they
bit of
say
a
about
pain,
the starter? Did they say anything about it?
Well, no, I already told you. What do you mean?
They said it. Didn't he test it and he said it was working or something?
Yeah, I said that. They said it tested okay, but compared to the new one,
Oh.
it did pass the test, but compared to the new one, it I feel like I'm repeating myself. 'Cause
Okay.
I already said all this. So.
Okay, sorry, I got distracted
I
by the
guess
kids
so, I don't
walking
know.
by.
But
I need more
the,
coffee. That's the
yeah.
reality. We don't usually do this much before noon.
Yeah, well, I don't even know what time it is. It's probably
not
like
noon.
10 o'clock or
11, I think.
Yeah. Well, but everything worked out good. Cost us $0 for this repair. We can get on the road and be done with it. I just got to go inside and use their sink to wash my hands and put all these freaking tools away.
Totally.
But it's kind of nice. At least I have all the tools to be able to do this kind of job with
Yeah.
us. And we can,
And it was kind of, there was something satisfying about the guy being like, in my parking lot, and then like we actually weren't lying.
Yeah.
We actually have been working on the truck all day in the
For
parking
sure. You know, some places have rules against working in the parking lot on your car. This place does not. He's like, it's fine. You can wrench on your car in the parking lot. So that's cool. We had a place to fix it. We didn't have to go anywhere, anything like that. But
yeah,
you know, Napa Auto Parts is all right. But you know who's great is Millsupply. Millsupply is fantastic. They're the sponsor of this channel, and they're the sponsor of the BreadTruck. So if you need anything for your BreadTruck, your Stepvan, your snowplow, RV, classic car, regular car or truck, check with Millsupply. They are an online parts depot and can send everything out to you right to your address. Easy peasy, very quickly, and cheaper than most places. And some of this stuff you can't even find anywhere else. So please check out Millsupply. Description is in the link of this. The link is in the description of this video below, and
they even carry seatbelts.
Yeah, they even carry seatbelts, which I do not have any
Coming
for my
soon.
car. But yeah, tell them that the BreadTrucker sent you. But we're actually going to be able to go down the road. Woohoo! So we are all fixed up. The BreadTruck is running again. We put the starter in. Everything's all good. We took all of your advice. We were able to diagnose it. Turns out you could smack it with a hammer and it would start up, and that led me to believe that the starter was bad. So we swapped that out, paid $0 for this repair, and we're back on the road. We are doing great.
We're doing all the things. Now we can move again.
Yeah, so we just wanted to say goodbye, everybody. Thank you for all your input and your wonderful advice, and thank you for supporting the channel.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it. Thank you, guys. We'll see you really soon right down the road. Bye-bye.
Bye.